I am pleased to inform you that although we have been working with this model for almost 30 years, there is a breakthrough I would like to present. The breakthrough deals with conceptual marketing, which is based on the discovery of the roots of human intelligence, how they work, and how this intelligence influences the roots of buying processes. This allowed developing a conceptual approach to marketing based on the fact that human actions are driven by the concept people have, and that the instantaneous actions of individuals during a buying processes or wherever the individual acts are driven by an instantaneous response by the short-term conceptual memory, which makes an instantaneous approach to reality in order to respond to the stimuli that are being received. This is evident in children, but this is also evident in adults. The Unicist conceptual approach to marketing was developed to increase notoriously the effectiveness of marketing, meaning when you are able to satisfy the buying needs and providing the necessary responses and the necessary value to satisfy those buying needs, there is no possibility that the client doesn't buy. You have to know the context, you have to understand the context, and this requires the three basic tools the conceptual management approach uses. One, the segmentation, the conceptual segmentation, which includes, depending if it is B2B or B2C, aspects that deal with the underlying concepts, with the aesthetics, with the psychological segmentation, with the lifestyle segmentation, and with the image of the product, meaning the critical mass a value proposition has. Second, there has to be a conceptual approach includes a strategic approach to marketing. The strategic approach to marketing implies that the three main actions of a marketing process, meaning the awakening of interest, the management of desire, and the closing of sales, being those happenings instantaneously in a supermarket or being part of a B2B processes, have to be managed strategically in order to be able to install the best strategy for each segment. The Unicist approach considers each segment as an independent universe that has to be managed independently. And finally, it is a question of market confrontation. There are different types of market confrontations that need to be managed according to the characteristics of the market, to the power of the brands, to the resources available, and to the characteristic of the segments. Buying processes are driven by desire, by internal consensus, and by convenience, while selling processes are managed, as I said, by a process to awaken interest, to manage desire, and to close. This is the conceptual management approach that was developed, that has been applied, and that produces a significant increase of marketing effectiveness by using the resources that are available, managed in a different way. Thank you.